I would now like to call upon Team 2 for the presentation.
Good morning to my respected judges, volunteers of Janagraha, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Sadia Tasneem, student of Elite High School, studying in 8th standard. I am the head of my team and they all are my team members. We all together worked on this Balajanagraha project. I would like to speak few points on urban planning. Urban planning. After hearing all the tough problems faced by the people in all the areas, urban planning puts a light upon the problems. Urban planning is the plan for the future of our city. We make sure that the city is planned according to the needs of the future. The most important, that is the essential part of urban planning is road. And one of my team members would like to speak about the road which we have taken.
We have taken RK Garden South Cross Street, which is in interior Nilasandra, for our project. It is 52.65 meters in length. The breadth of the starting road is 2.80 meters, that is 3 meters. The breadth of the end of the road is 2.50 meters. Present status of road. There are 18 to 20 residential buildings, 1 electric pole, only 1 tree, and heaps of garbage. And one of our team members will speak about problems faced by the residential people on this road.
We have interviewed nearly 25 residents about the problem faced by them. While interviewing them, they come across with many common problems: water problem, eve teasing, inadequate street lights, seepage from chambers, muddy and uneven road, and no regular clearance of garbage. In an emergency, if anything happened for the residential people, vehicles like ambulance, fire brigade find it very difficult to come to that area. The road is slushy when it rains. The people find it very difficult to walk on that road and they hurt themselves. After hearing all this problem, we redesigned the road and the proposed solution are:
we have redesigned the road and proposed the following solutions. There, regular water supply, check on illegal connection, mufti policing in the evening, additional street lights, tarring of the road to avoid blockage and seepage from the chambers. There should be regular clearance of the garbage. Alternate method should be provided for the ambulance or the fire brigade in case of any emergency use. People should adopt rainwater harvesting method while constructing the buildings. We followed up with the cooperator further.
We met our cooperator, Mr. Lokesh Naik. In the month of November, he cooperated with us and he listened the problems which were present in front of him. And he assured us that very soon the road will be developed, electric poles will be installed and every problem will be solved. He liked our project and gave a sign in our chart. Now, we are very glad to say that the resident people of our area are getting proper water supply. The road work is initiated. We want you all to know about the actions we have taken.
Yeah, we have conducted campaign in the street and distributed flyers on conservation of rainwater harvesting, importance of segregation of garbage, and we have taken a short campaign on the street. Have a look.
Along with that, we held awareness program and perform skit for school seniors on basic safety tips for the girls, conservation of electricity and water, and about the segregation of garbage and importance of rainwater harvesting.
We have also registered a complaint in www.ichanmessity.com.
We met our cooperator once again before 2 days, that is on Thursday. We asked him, as the water problem has been solved, but still the electric poles has not been installed. And he said us that very soon all the problems will be solved.
Thank you.
As I saw the heaps of garbage lying on the empty site, I personally inquired to whom this place belongs to. Finally, I met the owner of this land and requested him to build a fence, and he agreed this.
We want to share our experience with you as we are doing this project.
During the project, we felt very happy that we are helping others. We were very much excited while measuring the roads, and we are divided our team into 2 to 3 subgroups and interview the people who are residing there. Our experience are so nice when we are going to ask the problem of each houses. It was a great pleasure for us. And we want to conclude this by saying some slogans and jingles. This would be by all of us.
Save water, it will save you later.
Let's go green to get our group key. Less pollution is the best solution.
Heaps of garbage lying on the street, Makes the environment tidy, clean them up.
It is everybody's duty to keep our city clean.
Oh, sewage and drainage, यहाँ आना ना दोबारा, अब तुम तो हुए परदेसी के तुम्हारा यहाँ कोई नहीं, ले जा DCs and garbage and all dirty things, ले जा DCs and garbage and all dirty things, अब तुम तो हुए परदेसी के तुम्हारा यहाँ कोई नहीं, We are Indians, bold and free. We will guard our lovely city. We will clean our city with love and pride. Jai Hind.
We, the student of Lighthouse School studying in 8th standard, sincerely thanks to our school management, teachers and parents who really guided and supported us in doing this project. Thank you.
Now over to the judges for their questions.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. The question was, your meeting corporated repeatedly, right? You met 2 or 3 times
Yes, sir,
the
2 times
corporator. What was your experience like?
We asked him different types of questions, sir, like why the road work, why the road is like this, why the heaps of garbage, why electric poles, why not proper water supply. He said in the first meeting, he said us that very soon he will going to solve all the problems, but electric poles were not being initiated. So we went and asked him why still the electric poles has not been installed. So he said us that very soon it will also be installed.
Did he explain you why he was not doing those things earlier, before you contacted him?
Yes, sir. It was a long back, like before 5-6 years, it was like this. So that's true. It was.
Okay. Thanks.
Hello. Do
Hello,
you
ma'am.
think that only the government is responsible for garbage?
No, ma'am. We as active citizens, even we have some responsibilities. Like government is working so hard for the development of the cities. Even we have some duties like we should follow traffic rules. We should not throw the garbage on the road. We should respect each other. We should save water, save electricity. Even we have some certain duties and we have to follow it, ma'am.
I want to compliment you all. You have done such an amazing job of putting this together. I really loved the poster that you had in the middle, which you never showed, you know. It was a very creative poster of showing the city. It had that like, very dynamic looking thing. Yeah, the urban planning one.
Planning city, ma'am.
That's the one, yeah. Okay, so
It's
I just
urban
wanted to
planning,
say, yeah. I also want to ask you, if once you finish with this Balajanagra program, is there anything that you learned in what you all did together as a team, which was different and which you would apply elsewhere as well? Did you learn leadership, communication skills, technology, anything? If you had to say one thing that you learned which you would take and apply in other school projects and whatever you're doing elsewhere, other than being a civic citizen, was there anything else that you learned?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, we learned in this program is cleanliness. Cleanliness is very important, ma'am. And first, we were taking the things very light, but now we have started observing. If a drop of water is also been wasted, we have to not waste that, because save water, it will save you later. It has been. Thanks, ma'am.